I'm Don Cooper, the CEO and founder of Innovator, and today's session is part of a series that we're offering on above ground storage tank repairs. And today we are talking about the forge bonding repair method.
We also do shell repairs. I chose this picture because it shows that we can handle the hydrostatic pressure at the bottom of the tank. You can see the chime here. On the right is a 99 design pressure tower nozzle that we repaired. It was cracked and corroded around the base where the nozzle meets the shell. So we came in, this is a leak sealing clamp. It came in two halves. You can see where it's bolted together here. Our studs are pinning it, applying compression against the tank shell. There was actually, we machined out a small cavity under this plate, and then we installed injectors to inject a two-part polymer starting from the bottom and working our way up to push the air out. So we filled the underside of this clamp with a two-part epoxy. Generally, we use non-curing epoxies, but this one was an exception. And this, I believe this one had a packing rope as well. I don't think this was gasketed. So, but we have various techniques for creating a seal.